Commercial real estate is really any real estate that generates income. It can be everything from a single-family home to a double-decker or triple-decker, one condominium unit, or any of the above, all the way to an apartment complex. The other type of commercial is office. It can be everything from a single office rental to an office tower. Another category is retail, where you could have one single store, a Dunkin' Donuts or a Papagino's in one building, all the way to a shopping center or a strip center or a mall. Then you have the other type of property, which we'll kind of call as warehousing. Warehousing, distribution type of buildings, the buildings that have the big flat roofs. When buying commercial real estate, the first thing is to try to understand is what type of commercial real estate you want to buy. There are things and similarities to commercial property in that all types of commercial property, and that you have to do certain things that you wouldn't do during the purchase of a residential home. If you decide that you wanted to get into the apartment building business or the multifamily business, it has more similarities to a residential, but you'd obviously have to you'd have to finance through a commercial lender. You'd have to do certain different types of survey work that you wouldn't do. And I would recommend not only on residential, but in all types to have inspection. And the inspection may be, you have to go as far as doing destructive testing. You certainly don't want to buy something and then find out there's a latent defect that nobody told you about or the prior owner didn't tell you about, because unlike in residential real estate for your own home, residential commercial real estate is caveat emptor. Caveat emptor being buyer beware. Unlike residential real estate, commercial real estate requires different types of lenders. You wouldn't use a home mortgage to buy a commercial building. You're going to need a commercial lender. And those terms and the rates are much different than are the residential rates. You're also going to have to do different kind of work in the beginning, a survey that is much more extensive than a plot plan you would get on a residential house, which is nothing more than a tape survey. This needs to be an instrument survey. The inspection that you would do on a home differs also because you may even want to do destructive testing on a commercial piece of residential real estate. You need to know what the components, how long they're going to last, and how you can make sure that you've budgeted for their replacements at a reasonable period of time.